Welcome to It's Custom Designs. This is just a follow-up with the Dragon. So the customer Lenny came over and asked some questions. Next thing you know, he's got product in his hand, putting product onto the Dragon, and look at the dip before and the after. So the story behind this is it's a Dragon we made in the It's Custom Designs wood shop, and it sat in a box for, well, technically for 2 years. I think it's 2 years old or less. So it kind of dried out in there. And so what we did is we put a natural product. Look at the first video to see what that product was. And the hands-on with Lenny. He did a really thorough job. He's a phenomenal student. He did a thorough job on putting the product on. And there's still some more things to do. We need to let it set a little bit more. When he gets it home, he's going to wipe it down again just to get a little more excess off. Then it needs to sit for several days to dry. The finger quotes are in the air. And then if it's truly dry, then what he can do is buff it very, very carefully, obviously. The disclaimer with buffing this one is that the wood is actually not tight. So you can only do so much buffing with it. But that buffing is going to do a couple different things, one of which is going to help it look better, seal more thoroughly in the product, into the grain, that type of thing. So thanks for watching.